In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage recurring tasks in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to make routine work show up automatically so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open Notion and select the page that contains your tasks database. You want a database view, such as a table, board, or list, not a plain page, because recurring templates work inside databases. If you're looking at a specific view, that's fine. The setup will apply to the whole database behind it. At the top, find the New button and click the small drop-down arrow beside it. This reveals the template options that let you standardize and automate the tasks you create from this database. Choose New Template. This opens the template editor in a side panel or a full page, depending on your layout. Anything you add here becomes the default content and properties every time this template is used or duplicated on a schedule. Give your template a clear, specific name so it's easy to recognize later. For example, something like Daily Admin Sweep or Morning Review works well. A descriptive name helps you and your teammates instantly understand what the task is for when it appears. Now edit the task content and properties. Add a short description with what done looks like. If you rely on checklists, include them right in the body. Set database properties you want to prefill every time. Assignee, status, priority, tags, project, or estimated time. The more you front load here, the less you'll have to tweak when each new task arrives. Next, click on Duplicate Every. This is where you turn the template into a recurring task. Enabling it tells Notion to automatically create a fresh task from this template on a schedule you define. Click on Day to set the frequency to daily. This is perfect for routines like stand-ups, inbox zero, or habit tracking. If your needs change later, you can return to this template and adjust the interval from the same control. Then click on At to select the time. Pick a time that fits your workflow, maybe right before your day starts or just after lunch. Notion will generate the task at that time, based on your workspace time zone. If timing is critical, double-check your time zone in workspace settings. That's it. Notion saves templates automatically so you can close the editor. Your database will now receive a new task each day at the time you chose, already named, pre-filled, and ready to go. If you ever want to pause or change it, reopen the template, adjust the schedule or content, and you're set.